Hello and welcome back to another video. I haven't done a video for probably about 3 months because I haven't really felt like it, but I want to do a little demonstration and review on this. Hope you can read that. The Neilsen bench mounted saw blade sharpener, basically to sharpen any circular saw blades. There it is. So basically it comes in that box. Take it out, the diamond blades already mounted. All you got to do is bolt the handle on. If you're right-handed, on the right, left-handed on the left. Comes with a basic little toolkit. That's obviously to protect your eyes, but I'm not putting it on, so I'll just wear my glasses. So yeah, this cost just under 70 quid. I did buy a similar one on Amazon. Got it exactly the same model but a different make, and the motor was knackered, so I sent it back. Got my money back and got this one cheaper. So it's free postage as long as you don't mind waiting 3 to 5 days. So there we go. I'm going to set the camera up, just show you, cut this bit of wood. This is a bit of oak cladding, and see how dull the saw is, and then before and after. Hello Dusty, come on in. What are you doing in? Come on, say hello. There you go, Dusty. Yeah. Oh yes, he likes the camera. Come on in. Hey, you're a good little dog, isn't you? Hey, yeah. Right, let's carry on with this demonstration. Right, let's cut this bit of cladding. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not cutting brilliantly. So I'm going to whip it off and set it up on the sharpener. Right, so hopefully you can see that alright. So you undo this little washer, spring, and then you've got a cone. This little pillar here has got to be flush with that, and that supports the blade when the diamond blade comes in. You've got a stop there, which I've got set so it doesn't dig right into the blade. Place the blade on, put your cone on, put the spring on, put the washer on, tighten it down. And that's the centre of the blade. Don't matter what size the bore is. Still spinning. Right, so that's pretty well like that. Then, by the way, this blade, the teeth are square. You have also got, oh, I didn't show you that bit, did I? There is a pivot back and front, so you can tilt it so many degrees to the right, so many degrees to the left. I'll show you that later on. So you undo this. There's the dog barking his head off. Get it flush with the diamond blade. Push the blade towards me so it's on the stop. Right. Something like that. Tighten this one up. Really tight as well. There you go. Yeah, something like that. Tighten that up. Right, is that good? Let me just bring the camera around here. So you get the teeth flush against the diamond blade. Reet. There we go. Tighten that up. Right, now then, this is tricky, this piece. This might take you a few times. Get around there. Move that. Right, now you've got to set this up. Onto one of these blades. Tighten this nut with 10mm. Right, just that. Tighten it up. Right, and then you've got an Allen key down here. Dusty. Quiet. Oi! named after Dusty Springfield. Right, so push your teeth hard up against the blade. Is that gonna? Yeah, that's gonna go. Right, hard up again, undo that. Hold on, tighten that up. This is the fiddliest bit. Right, let's just see what that's like. Oh, that's got to come round a smidgen. Let's bring this camera a bit more around there. Right. Right, so it's just catching. See, that is too much now. Go from one extreme to the other. But I might go with that. Right, hold on a minute, I'm going to just pause this a minute. Right, I think we're good to go. So mark your first tooth. Turn it on. Right, there you go, I've gone right round. Does feel sharp, but let's put it back on the saw and have a look. Oh, just before I forget, so that you loosen that front and the back, and then you can twist it to the left or to the right, whatever degrees the blade is set at. But luckily this one is set at 90 degrees. There we go. Right, can you see me? There you go then, 70 quid. I think it's brought the blade back to life. It's not as good as new, but there you go. Saves chucking them away, so in no time you get your money back. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.